Okay, this video is of my 2000 7.3 liter Ford. I'm having some trouble starting, so I thought I'd put this online on YouTube, try and get a little help. Just for information, the batteries have been tested, they're good, my terminals are clean and tight. I've pulled the starter, it also tested fine, so I just want to start it, see if anybody's had similar symptoms. What it does is initial start, you turn the key on, glow plug light goes out. It'll act like the batteries are dying or starter's dying. Turn the key back, not completely off, but just to where the glow plugs, where your initial start would be, and it usually cranks up. And this is usually after it sits a day or two. Usually it'll run fine the rest of the day after that. So if anybody knows what's going on, please contact me. Help me fix this truck. Turn the key off, but not completely off, and now it should start. So if anybody knows what that is, please let me know. I'm having a little trouble figuring it out. Thank you.